great audio and video can elevate it from being run-of-the-mill to something extraordinary. Audio Director is designed to make improving the sound and video projects achievable for anyone. Packed with an exhaustive collection of powerful audio features and seamless integration with PowerDirector Video Editor, Audio Director is a must-have sound studio for serious video makers. A huge selection of supported video and audio formats means you can work on basically any file, and ultra-precise audio-visual syncing and native 64-bit support mean you can get your movie projects sounding just how you want them, fast. Getting rid of unwanted noises in soundtracks is effortless, with a visual repair interface where clicks, hums, and other imperfections are simple to spot and remove. An intuitive layered timeline simplifies and streamlines the application of effects to soundtracks. And a host of vocal transformers, tempo and pitch adjusters, along with a ton of free sound clip downloads from DirectorZone.com, make creative compositions a breeze. Deal with multiple recordings like a pro, using simplified loop recording and innovative usability tweaks to fast-track audio production. Use dynamic panning technology to create sophisticated surround sound projects that showcase the full range of your audio creations. Produce your video files with 7.1 channel sound for real cinematic impact. Try Audio Director today and make sure your videos sound as good as they look.